Asawa panels here were attached to the side of this fountain, which was pre-existing here in the square, and it had these mosaic tiles. You can see they're pretty dirty now, but the panels were bolted in using these anchor bolts in several points along the surface, and our team here first drilled through the hole and then was able to shimmy the panel out.
I'm Catherine Orange, Conservation Strategies. This is Randy Green.
Green Restorations.
And we've just been here this week helping to take these artist panels off of the fountain so that they can be saved and restored and used. And they were made by the artist Ruth Asawa along with some of the kids from the Luther Burbank Elementary School. They were installed in the late 1980s. What's great about these panels is the children help make all these little features. Here we have whales and fishes, sea life. And what we did to prepare the panels for coming off was we had to remove a little area where the fasteners were so that we could take them off of the anchors and then lift them off of the fountain, put them on these carts so that